In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT for language learning in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. It actually is possible to go ahead and use your ChatGPT for language learning. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your ChatGPT and write a prompt similar to mine. So simply go ahead and copy it if you want to. Create a 30-day language learning plan for a beginner learning and whatever language you want. For my case, I'm going to write Spanish. I only have 20 minutes a day and want to focus on a basic travel phrases. There you go. If I go ahead and send a prompt like that, as you can see, it'll give me a complete 30 minutes option right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you